Sri Gurudev Datta. Datta Jayanti is celebrating the birth of Bhagwan Dattatreya. In Hindu Dharma, Bhagwan Brahma, Bhagwan Sri Hari Vishnu, and Bhagwan Shiva have a place of prime importance. They are the Trimurti who look after the creation, protections, and destruction cycle of the universe, and are the manifest from the supreme deity known as a Parabrahman. The form of divinity in the Bhagwans Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh are united as one is Bhagwan Dattatreya, Bhagwan Datta. Bhagwan Dattatreya was born to Maharshi Atri and Mata Anusuya. Mata was performing tapas and several austerities to beget a son with the qualities of the Trimurti. Jealous of the austerities by Mata Anusuya, Devi Saraswati, Lakshmi, and Parvati, as there to consort to taste the virtue of Mata. Accordingly, Bhagwans Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh appeared as mendicant before Mata Anusuya and begged for alms. When she was about to serve the food, they said that they would accept it only if she served them naked. By the power of her tapas and chastity, she was able to turn them into infants after uttering a mantra. Mata is then said to have fed the three infants while naked. Realizing their mistakes, the three Devis asked for forgiveness and requested Guru Mata to return their husband in their original forms. Acceding to their request, Guru Mata turned them back into Bhagwan Brahma, Bhagwan Sri Hari Vishnu, and Bhagwan Shiva. The Trimurtis were touched by her devotions and requested her to ask for a boon. They gave her darshan as Bhagwan Dattatreya in a single body with 3 heads and 6 arms, each bearing a japmala, kamandalu, trishul, damru, shankha, and sudarshan chakra. They blessed Maharshi Atri and Mata Anusuya with a son who came to be now as Bhagwan Dattatreya. Datta Jayanti or Dattatreya Jayanti is celebrated on the day of Margashish Purnima as per the Hindu calendar every year, as it was on this day that Bhagwan incarnated as the son of Maharshi Atri and Guru Mata Anusuya. The birthplace of Bhagwan Datta is said to be the village Mahur, which is located at a distance of about 125 kilometers from Nanded in Maharashtra. It is a day for devotees to observe fast and perform puja at home and in mandirs. Devotees also sing bhajans, means devotional song, and some may also perform home. The symbolisms associated with Bhagwan Dattatreya as per Hindu Shastras is that the 4 dogs that accompany him are considered to the symbol of 4 Vedas. The Gomata means cow. Behind him he is said to be the incarnation of Bhuma Devi, means earth. Bhumi Devi. Sri Dattatreya is considered as Guru of all the Gurus, and worshipping him is known as Datta Sampradaya or Guru Sampradaya. Devotees of Dattatreya strongly believe that worshipping him saves a person from the Pitru dosh and Pitru shap. That is course of deceased ancestors and receive their blessing. As per Hindu traditions, Margashish Purnima is the day when Chandradevi is said to have received the Amrit and is significant for both Surya Bhagwan and Chandra Bhagwan, who are offered holy water by devotees at sunrise and moonrise respectively. It is said that devotees who bath in any holy river on this day will be blessed and their desire will be fulfilled. Sri Swami Samartha, Sri Gurudev Datta Digambara Digambara, Sri Padvallabha Digambara, Avadhuta Chintana, Sri Gurudev Datta, Gurudev Datta, Gurudev Datta.